Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig right here. Alright, so in my last video I showed you guys how to cut the hair to this length, how to get this style. Okay guys, so this is the inside of the wig. I did some adjustments right here, so I cut around the ear part of the wig, so this will allow it to sit perfectly around my ear. And also for the combs, one of these combs used to be here on the crown area. You can really pin it down if you're wearing a wig cap, so I removed it from the crown area and decided to put it on the back part of the wig cap, and this one used to be right in the middle. So I decided to spread out the combs by placing them at the edge of the back part right there. So this will allow the wig to sit nicely and flat around the back. And for the elastic, this elastic came with the wig. It has a 3 hooks for the adjustments, so this helps to adjust the fitting of the wig. I just put it on the last one because I don't want it like super tight. So as always, to tint the lace or to tint the knots, right, you can apply foundation on the inside of the lace. Okay, you can apply foundation, you can apply powder depending on the one you prefer, and you can also apply lace tint. Okay, so you can spray in lace tint to help it blend well with your scalp or the wig cap. So this is the braid pattern I'm going to be using for the install today. I have a couple of zigzag braid on the back. So for the wig cap, the one I have is lighter than my scalp, so I sprayed lace tint on the area that will be showing underneath the wig, right there, and then I let it dry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna use the hairspray and spray on the area where I'll be placing the wig. Okay. Going in with my hand dryer. So once this is a bit sticky, I'm gonna place the wig on top. Okay, I have the wig right here. Okay, so I'm gonna place it on. Okay, that's sticky. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to secure the lace first before clipping the combs down, before securing the combs. Take this. I'm going to place it right where I want it to sit. Okay, right there. Perfect. I'm going to go in with the back of the comb to press the edge of the lace down. Okay, so this is it. Super quick, easy. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to start by securing the combs at the back. So to ensure that the wig doesn't pull back, I'm going to hold the front down while using the other hand to secure the combs. Sticking that. Put it in place. Okay, I'm going to swish, hold it down. and secure the other one. Okay, so now I'm going to secure the ones on the side. Still holding it down. Okay, just going to need to brush it. And this is the back. The wig is in place. Super quick install. The lace is in place. See that? It's going nowhere. Super quick and easy. So I applied a little bit of foundation on the front right here to help blend in the lace. So now I'm going to be applying foundation on the side part. I'm going to be doing that using an angle brush. So on this side, I'm going to brush it towards the front a bit. Push it towards the front. Right? There we go. Alright guys, so this is the final result of the quick, super quick install of the short wig, and I love it. Love the length, love the style. So like I said earlier, the video on how I transformed the bob wig into this beautiful short pixie cut is in the description box down below. So if you haven't seen that video, check the description box. The link is there. It's the first one on the description box, so be sure to check it out. Look at this. Really? Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.